here you can see, as per my budget and my given location, this is the places where I can visit in terms of my budget. So finally, I have got the exclusive invitation from Google to use their all new AI chatbot, that is Google Bard. So if you want to know in detail of Google Bard, then watch the video till the end without skipping any part. I have explained in detail of each and every module. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So let's see how efficiently Google Bard works. So I have here written some of the prompt in order to illustrate you faster. So this is the home page of Google Bard. So here you can give your prompt over here, and as per your prompt the result will come. And also you can use your microphone in order to write the prompt over your voice. So let's try our first prompt. So here in this prompt I have asked this AI to act as English translator, and I have given a text over here in another language. Let's see how efficiently it translates that language in English. So it's currently analyzing that text. So as you can see here, it efficiently translates that language in English. As I have written this language in Bengali, so after analyzing the Bengali word, it not only accurately translates the language but also the meaning of this translated word is pretty same. So let's try the next prompt. So here in this prompt I have asked Google Bard to act as my travel guide, and I have this amount of budget and I want to travel in India with this amount. So let's see how accurately it gives me the locations as per my budget. So it's currently analyzing my word. So now here you can see, as per my budget and my given location, this is the places where I can visit in terms of my budget. So let's say I want to travel to Jaipur and I want the proper roadmap how to go there, what are the places nearby that I can visit, and also what are the charges of each hotel. Let's see, is it give me the proper result as per my prompt or not. So here in this prompt I have given that I want to travel to Jaipur from Kolkata, and what are the places I can visit nearby and what are the charges of hotels. Let's see it can give me the accurate result or not. So as you can see here, it's give me the proper roadmap how to go there and what are the places I can visit and what are the entry fee to that places, and it's also give me a rough idea where I can spend my expenses like accommodation, food, activities and so on. So that's a really a good feature that implemented by Google. And if you want to travel to some places and don't know where to go, how to go there, then you can ask Google Bard for the proper roadmap how to go there, what are the expenses of hotels, food and visiting nearby places. So that's a thumbs up for Google Bard. So now I'm gonna try the last prompt, that is a math equation. Let's see how accurately and efficiently it can solve it. So here in this prompt I have given an equation. I have asked Bard to solve it and explaining it as a teacher. So this is the equation I have given, and as part to that solution is given below. But I don't this type of answers. I want answers that illustrate each and every line. I am writing the prompt over here that illustrate me each and every line and why it is written over there, explaining it to me. So I have given the prompt that illustrate me each and every line when you solving it line by line. So let's see what are the answers it give me. So now it gives me the illustrated answer of each line. That would be easier for me to understand why it is written and what are the functions it perform over there. So if you are a student and want to enhance your math skills, you can simply just ask the question over here and give the proper prompt that I want explanation of each line with illustration. So it's give me this type of illustration that will help you to understand the equation much better. So that's pretty much about it. If you really want to know how I got the access of Google Bard and how I got the invitation from Google to access the Google Bard, then comment down below. I will try to make a separate video on that. So if you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any important update like this in the future videos. And if you like this video, also share this video with your friends. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.